right, hey, welcome to the Dad Random channel. Today we're going to be messing around with the Action 6. And, the traditional way of looking at the Action 6 is to put it on a, selfie stick, and then, of course, manipulate the Action 6, on a selfie stick. But one of the new trends is to take the Action 6. I'm going to go ahead and take off the lens guard, but take advantage of its square sensor, and you really can just mount this thing anywhere and any way you want. I mean, you can mount it sideways, you can mount it, traditionally, for your selfie shots. But one thing you can't do with this is you can't treat it like a traditional camera. So a lot of folks have been adding to their Action 6 gear, and that's really what it is. It's an addition. It's not a replacement. We're not trying to replace anything by doing what we're doing. So what I want to do is I want to add this Cynova product, which is a hand grip, and just kind of check out some of its features, because it is kind of fun to pack your camera in a grip style. So let's go ahead and check out the Cynova, and let me go ahead and get this open and see what the Cynova grip looks like. And then we'll get it out in the field and just play around with it a little bit. So this is how it's packaged. So this is the grip by Cynova. Now every grip has its own little kind of quirks to it. Most of them are coming with these straps, and I actually added the strap to my Action 5 with the grip setup I have with that. And so this is just a different grip, different company's view of the grip style. And here's a couple of different images from this. And I think it gets down to preference, your access to your memory cards and things like that. So let's check out the build quality of this grip, the Cynova grip. All of these companies, I've done work for pretty much all of them that do accessories, and every one has its own advantages or benefits, So I'm kind of interested to see what Cynova has done. So here it is. Wow, that is a pretty extensive grip. Look at that. So we've got this rubberized front and rear. I really am a fan of that. Right away, we have just a really nice build. So we've got 1/4-20 on the bottom. We have a removable, let me see how easy it is to remove the grip from the, now we got, oh, okay, so we have a couple of different pieces here. This looks like a shutter button. So let's see if I can get this. I want to see how easy it is to disassemble. I'm just trying to figure it out, because I haven't obviously looked at the instructions. Now this is easy. The camera goes in really simple. That's for sure. And then we have, oh, there we go. Oh, that is really easy. That is really easy. Wow, this thing is slick. That is cool. So you got these two top buttons. I don't like looking at the instructions, because most of us just, I want to see how intuitive it is. But there it is right there. So you have access to your doors on the right side. And I do believe this comes off magnetically off this. Yeah, it does. So I just got to, there we go. So there's two of these. So this allows you to attach to the bottom. That snaps in nice. Wow, this is really looking cool. So let's go let's put the camera in this thing. So let's get it off this grip here, or the tripod. And it looks like it's just as simple as this. Slide it in. Let's see how well. Oh, whoa, that is nicely fitting in there. And here is the USB-C door, completely. You have complete access to that. You have access to your quick start button. Now I haven't put a lens accessory on this one yet. Usually what I'll do is I'll add an ND to that, but this is a really nice grip. This is a great Cynova. You really did a nice job. So we got a cold shoe on the top here. We've got there we go. Osmo wants to already shoot. Yep, it's already shooting because I've got it set up so when you touch the button, it activates and it shoots. So it's now recording. Wow, that is great. I am really falling in love with the DJI Action 6, and that just makes it just one little bit better. So let's go ahead and then get it in snap mode. And now the big thing is trying to keep a steady hand on the camera as you snap a shot. So I want to go ahead and snap a picture of my screen. And that is really smooth. So there's a really nice mechanical advantage that shutter button. Now this here, this is for doing vertical shooting. Look at that, wow. Wow, Cynova really thought of everything on this. Look at this, check this out. So now I got a vertical shot. Even though we got pretty much a square sensor. So let's get those two shots right there. Now I can go ahead and we can go ahead and check out those images. So there's our vertical. And then there's our horizontal. And here's the video that I shot. So that is really slick. That is really cool. So we can transition. Now, yeah, look at that. Now we got quarter 20 there. So we just, wow, look at this. I got to show this to you. Oh my gosh, this is way cool. Check this out. So I've got I don't even know if I need this accessory anymore. I just bought that. So now we can go and connect the Cynova mount to the bottom of our selfie stick, so we can still use our selfie stick if we want to, because we get into these things where we're gonna film and we want to have arm's length. So now we're filming in front of us. That is really cool. I mean, there's just about everything that you'd want this to be able to function as. So of course we can go ahead and keep our grip on. So we're not like carrying around a ton of gear. We can go ahead and connect up to our, I would have loved to have had this specific cage on my trip. There's no question about it. This would have been the only camera I'd have been using all pretty much the whole time, with the exception of my DSLR camera for certain shots. So we've got this. Now we've got stability, so we can now manipulate the camera like this. That is really cool. That is just amazing. We have access to our screen, access to our buttons, and now if we want to have access to this door here, let's see if I can get in there now. This is our battery door. And there's our battery and then our SD card. That is really nice. That is, I mean, this is, like I said, I have a, you know, I like these types of, these gadgets, but this one just has everything. It's just well done. So good job, Cynova. So this is the Action 6 grip, and then of course we'll add this. Now I don't know if I missed anything. I'm just checking around to see if I missed any of the features this thing has. Remember I did show you taking the handle off. So say we just want to use it in cage, just as the cage. So I'm going to take the handle off. So we're going to open this door. We're going to, I believe, pull off. Yeah, you can pull this. Let me see how you pull out the, oh, this lifts. There you go. And then you can pull out the shutter. There's the shutter button. And then I can take off the handle that way. So now I'm just using it in cage mode. Go ahead and get this selfie stick here sitting down. So I've basically taken off these two accessories, and now that we're in a free cage. And if I wanted to work with here, I don't know if this would be something you'd want to do, but camera's free. Now we can use the quick mounts. So I can put my quick mount back on. If we wanted to go this way, we wanted to get rid of the grip for just a short period of time. So now I can go ahead and I can mount that way. So now I'm mounted vertically. Okay, so now I've got that vertical mount. And then there is my horizontal mount. Just a little play in there, but this is, but this is not, it's nothing, it's just flexibility. It's not like it's loose in the mount. So, wow. Yeah, I'm a very big fan of the Cynova setup. So already, I just took it out of the box. I didn't have to learn this thing at all. So there it is, the Cynova Action mount. Okay, so there we go. Let's put it all back together and go full circle. So we want to add the shutter back on. So we'll tip it up, put that in. So this is the cold shoe right here. And it looks like we also have a mount there. So that is a 1/4-20 mount there for like mounting lights, I guess. So that goes in. Let's just keep this tilted up, and then we want to reattach our grip, and that really is sitting there nice. There it is. Check that out. That is very cool. I got to get that so I don't have auto launch every time I let's go ahead and shut that down. All right, so very cool. There we got auto launch. Turn that, get rid of that. But yeah, we have full function once again. Go ahead and get rid of all that stuff. But all right, so here's our forward-facing camera, forward-facing screen. Right there. But for Dad Random in the Cynova, well, there's our grip lanyard. So, right. So this is the Action 6 hand grip by Cynova right here. Very cool. Now these guys did provide this to me, but without a doubt, I am very happy with it. It is a really very useful product. And it has all of those things that you'd want with a grip for an action camera. There's just there's nothing I could, that would add to this kit. This right now has pretty much everything that I would ever use in a kit of this type. So yeah, thanks for watching. Check it out. I'll put links in the description. Yeah, Cynova, really, really good, well thought out grip solution for the Action 6. No question about it. All right. And for Dad Random, hey, have a good one. All right.